Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about how to have better skin, aside from what your dermatologist tells you and your doctors, but feel free to consult with your doctors first before doing anything that I recommend in this video. One of the things I do for my skin is I use vitamin A. It's topical vitamin A with witch hazel. It helps with the pain of having acne. Sometimes it can feel like a million paper cuts on your face, and the witch hazel helps calm that. And just be sure to be careful with sun exposure when you use vitamin A, because it does make your skin more sensitive to the sun, as does vitamin C, which I also use on my skin. And you can find these at a discounted price at TJ Maxx, and that way you still get better skin without paying full price. So vitamin C and vitamin A, they help your skin. Vitamin A helps your skin heal from all of the acne, and then vitamin C helps with the acne scars. And I use these at night when I'm not going to be exposed to the sun. And then during the day, I use collagen. It helps my skin look younger and cleaner. Tea tree oil helps with many different skin problems. And it also helps with acne and acne scarring. You can also find this at TJ Maxx, Ross, Burlington. That way you don't pay full price for these things, and they're cheaper and you still have better skin. Another thing I found at TJ Maxx was this aloe vera, and I use these during the day to soothe all my acne that I have. It helps with healing, not just with burns, but also healing of your skin from acne problems. And then I also take vitamin A that I found at my local farmer's market store. It helps with eye function, yes, but it also helps your skin heal from all of the acne scars. And I take it with fish oil because vitamin A is fat soluble, and it's better for you to take it with some kind of a fat like fish oil, something that's good for you. It also helps with other problems like sleep, anxiety, constipation. It has many good things for you. And then another thing that helps with acne is getting enough sleep. And I highly recommend Sean Stevenson's Sleep Smarter book. It gives you tips on how to improve the quality of your sleep without having to take so much melatonin and stress out about it. He recommends magnesium. That helps you sleep better. And when you sleep and you get enough sleep for you, then it helps to decrease all the acne on your face. You feel better, you're happier. Those are some of the things that I do for my acne. And then to keep in mind all the things that I just talked about to help with your acne. Just keep in mind, get enough sleep, get enough hydration. That would be your body weight divided by 2. And that's the fluid ounces that you would drink. So for instance, if I weigh, let's say for example, 150, and you divide that by 2, the fluid ounces will be what I need to drink for that day. Be careful to watch your nutrition. It's better if you eat foods that are not highly processed, and that helps your skin look more radiant and clean. Exercise helps improve circulation so that you have better flow of nutrients to your skin to make it look healthier. And then just remember the acronym SANE, and think of the words sleep, attitude, nutrition, and exercise, and that will help you have much better skin. Well, I hope you liked this video. Feel free to leave a comment in the comments below, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.